Okay, welcome back to the channel. We have another RC unboxing. I always say this is something different, but I like the different RC cars or trucks or planes, boats. I like things that are just different, that stand out. So I saw this, it was actually on Prime Days and it was like 30 bucks off. I don't have anything from this company, but let's get to the unboxing, get it out, show you what we got. So all I've done so far is just rip off my mailing address labels. Haven't opened it yet. All right, so let's get it out because it's open already. That's weird. Huh, I wonder if that's for customs. All right, let's see what we got. See if it's been actually opened. So it's a CR 18P Evo V2. Let's see what we got in here. We got some winch hardware. That'll be pretty cool. We got our charger, our T-wrench, instruction manual, some protective foam. We got our little controller. This is a little guy. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I should be able to thumb steer with that pretty decently. Okay, so we don't have any batteries out here, so we'll have to get some batteries. This looks like it's gonna take some AAAs. Looks like probably 4. Okay, set that off to the side. Let's get her out. Yeah. All right, that's it. So it's the Rock van, the 4x4 Rock van. Okay, you know what we gotta do? We gotta do the all-important unwrapping. So here we go. All right, so we got her unwrapped. So it looks like to get her undone, we got some small little body clips back here in the back. We'll put some little zip ties or some pulls on there so we can do that a little bit better. But it's hinged in the front. There, our batteries right there. There's our 2S 600 LiPo. Got multiple shock mounting locations, front and rear. Got some aluminum, looks like an aluminum chassis, but this is hard plastic inner fender liners. Put it back down. We'll get the battery charged. We'll probably come up with something a little different for these little guys back here because they're really small. Went in pretty easily though. They do have a little bend to them to get them in there a little easier. But yeah, so there we go. Just put one on for now. But shocks feel good. It's got some light buckets. I think these light up here and these light up here and here. I think these you just need some lights for it. And I think it has tail lights too. But we'll get it all plugged in. We'll check it out. Come right back. Okay, so we got 4 AAA batteries in here. Got some good power. So again, this is the Hobby Park. Again, this is the Rock van from Hobby Park. Comes with a 2S 600 LiPo. We might change these connectors out just so it's a little more standard. Let's see, our battery goes back here in the back. It's got some bungees, like a little rubber band bungees to hold her down. So get her fastened down here. That battery isn't going to go anywhere. Oh, what did it do? just take these off, put some Velcro there. It's not gonna go anywhere. But all right, so you got 3 little bungee straps in the back here. And we'll get her turned on. There we go. Get our clips on. I like how it has the hinged body, but I really wish companies would start going to the clipless style, especially on these smaller vehicles. They're just too hard to get your fingers in there. And if you got fat fingers, you're gonna struggle. But there we go. So looks like we got some turn indicators. Not everybody's favorite, but let's see here what we got. So we'll have to look through the dip switches and see how I think it's got high and low gear. Oh, there we go. We got some lights happening there. We got the little top lights on. Got some hazard lights, lights off. So we got turn signals with lights, bright lights with turn signals, roof light, turn signals. All right, let's take it out a little bit. I don't have any steering. What's up with that? So it's got 3. Let's see here. Make sure we got steering turned all the way up. Steering might be all the way down. All right, we'll come back. We'll see. So my steering servo was unplugged just slightly. It uses the really small. I think that's the. It's like a sub JST. It's the same size that comes on the SCX 24s on their servos. So it was just slightly unplugged. So we have steering now. And it's a 2-speed transmission, so this is low speed right here, and it's a brushed motor, so like we can get going really slow. That's pretty slow. Don't love the turn signals, but we can do something with that. And it's just wild to have an off-road van. So this is full speed. And then if we shift gears, so right here on the remote, if we shift gears, 1, that's neutral, so you can see the van's not moving. 2, and then we'll follow the van. It's actually pretty quick. Oh, it's got a drag brake too. Right back on slow. I'll bring it back in. But, yeah, it's pretty cool. So that's the HobbyPlus Rock van, 18 scale. Let's see if we can get up this. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. So I think this is the version 2. Yeah, version 2, HobbyPlus Evo 2 Rock van, and this is blue, and it comes in silver as well. But for Prime Days, this was actually like, I think it was like $35 or $40 off, and the silver one was normal price. So I've got some plans for this anyway. I'm thinking maybe some 18 vibes. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Do you like it in the blue? Or would you like to see it, maybe we'll strip it down, 3D print a wing on the back and turn it into an off-road 18 van. But yep, HobbyPlus CR18P Evo 2 rock van. Pretty cool. So, WIKDRC, like and subscribe.